So you think about moving to Cayucos, California? Well, today I flew my drone over Cayucos so I could show you around the town and show you the beaches of this small little coastal California town. Hang in there till the very end because I'm going to cover some of the best kept secrets about Cayucos, and I'm going to get after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that bell icon and tap the subscribe button below so you'll be the first to know when I post more information about moving to San Luis Obispo County and the surrounding areas. My name is Bruce Carson. I'm with Keller Williams Realty Central Coast. I get phone calls, text messages, and emails from people just like you looking to move to the coast every single day, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, just call, text, or email me anytime. All of my information is listed below. So like I said, today we're going to fly over Cayucos, and we're going to take a look right now. Welcome to Cayucos, California, a hidden gem on the Central Coast. Cayucos is nestled between rolling hills and the sparkling Pacific Ocean. This small town of about 2,600 residents captures the spirit of coastal living with its blend of history, charm, and surf culture. Cayucos was founded in 1867 by Captain James Cass, and Cayucos has been a bustling shipping town back in the day. The iconic pier that you see today was built by Cass in 1872, connecting the town with the rest of the world. Over the years, Cayucos has evolved into a beloved landmark and a great spot for fishing, strolling, or simply soaking in the ocean breeze. For decades, Cayucos has been a haven for surfers. Its uncrowded beaches and consistent waves make it a favorite for those seeking the laid-back surf experience. Locals and visitors alike have been riding these waves since the 1950s, when California surf culture began to take root. Here, the spirit of sport is alive and well, with surfers of all skill levels enjoying the town's legendary breaks, as you can see here. So while we're watching surfers here, Cayucos is more than just a surf town. It's a place where time slows down. From its vintage storefronts to its serene beaches, this town is a testament to the California that once was. Whether you're here to surf, explore its rich history, or simply relax, Cayucos welcomes you with open arms and endless horizons. Discover the magic of Cayucos, where history meets the waves and everything in between. If you want to learn more about Cayucos, or if you're interested in moving to the Central Coast, to Cayucos, or anywhere else, please give me a call, text message, or email anytime. All of my contact information is listed below.